friends, it's Miss Pam from Lawrence Branch. I'm here today to show you how to make a bird feeder out of a gallon milk container. Now, I don't know if you remember, but last week I showed you how to make a piggy bank or an owl bank out of a water jug. Now, the only difference between the water jug and the milk container is the top. On the water jugs, they just pop off like this. That would not be good for your bird feeder. So that's why I specifically said a milk gallon thing, because on the milk gallon, it screws off. Because you want something that screws on tight and won't pop off. So, okay. So what I have here is my milk gallon jug. What I've already done, I've cut 2 holes in it, but I wanted to show you how I cut more holes. So you use a knife, and parents, you might want to do this part because, you know, we don't want any cut fingers. So all you're going to do is take the knife and just cut it in, cut it down. Okay, so I got the one part out. And now I'm going to make a hole over here. And because this is a bigger side, I'm going to make the hole bigger. Now, I have it like this. Make sure that you clean it out because it had milk in it, and if you don't clean it out and you put it outside, the milk that's inside of it will spoil and the birds will not come. They will not like that. Okay, now I have all 4 sides cut out. What you want to do is you want to take the top and you want to cut a hole into the top. So again, parents, you might want to do this. Okay? Not too big of a hole, but you want a hole big enough that you can just put string in. So I have my string. So you're going to take a big piece of string. And take the top, okay, because I have the hole in it. You want to put the string through it. Now, okay. So I have the string through it. Now what you want to do is you want to get either like a washer or a nut. You want to tie it to it, the string to it, and tie that on the inside so now it won't come out, because right now if you hang it like this, it'll just come out through the hole, which that won't work. Okay, so, but if you put it in like this, I have the washer, and just tie it, make like a double knot on it. Okay, like that. And then you can cut off the ends if you want. Okay. See, now it's pretty secure on there. So now it won't come out. So now you can hang it. So now comes the fun part. If you want, you can hang it like this. The birds would love it like this, or you can paint it. Now I have some regular craft paint, and I was just going to paint it a little bit here. I have a little green, and I have a little orange, and I have a little pink. So I'm just going to put some on this plate here. So you mix it up really well, especially if it's been sitting for a while. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the bottom and the sides green like it would be like grass. Okay. up the sides. Now I'm just going to take a smaller paintbrush and I'm just going to paint some flowers. Just going to put some spots on it. It looks like flowers. All right. So my orange. I mean, you don't have to paint it the way I'm painting it. You can paint it any way you want. But, all right. Like that. A little, make it a little more, shake my ink up a little better. Okay. Alright, so that's all you need to do. Just make sure you don't put it down if you painted the bottom until it dries. So you can always put the top on it, screw it on there tight, and hang it, and fill it with birdseed and hang it from a tree. And you can watch the birds come and watch, and they can eat. It'll be very nice to see them. Something very, very quick, very simple to make, and something, I'm sure you have milk gallons at home. You know, instead of throwing it out, repurpose it and feed the birds with it, right? All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope everyone's being safe and enjoying their summer, and I hope to see everyone real soon. Bye.